In the Lewis structure tool, you can build Lewis structures by connecting atoms with bonds and adding lone pairs of electrons. Start by adding atoms to the workspace by clicking and dragging from the sidebar. Or you can click on an atom in the sidebar to add it to the top left corner. To move an atom, click on it to select it so the blue glow appears. Then click and drag it to the desired location. To add bonds, click and drag from an atom to another atom. To add lone pairs of electrons, drag out from an atom a shorter distance so that you see the two dots, then release an empty space. Notice how, when you add bonds and lone pairs, the electrons place counter in the top right corner increases. This counts the total number of electrons included in the structure you have built. At the top of the screen, you will also see the trackers. Turn on the octet count tracker to see the number of electrons contributing to the octet or duet of each atom. Once the atom is satisfied with the number of electrons, the tracker turns from red to blue. The formal charge trackers indicate the calculated formal charge of each atom. It will turn from red to blue once the calculated formal charge matches the labeled charge. To label a charge, select an atom and use the increase and decrease charge buttons on the left-hand side. To delete an item, click on it to select it, then click the eraser button. Or to reset the tool to its starting state, click the trash can. You can reference these directions at any time by clicking on the Info button in the top left corner. For an alternate interface, open the Keyboard Accessible Control panel to use the Lewis Structure tool with keyboard commands and a screen reader.